Hello everyone. In the previous class, we completed our input devices, but in this class again, I'm explaining your keyboard and mouse. Why? Because you are in every day we are using the keyboard and the mouse mostly, right? So again, we will discuss this one in the brief manner. Okay, right? Okay, let's go to the first keyboard. Okay, let's go here. First one, keyboard. After that, we will discuss the our mouse. Okay, first we are discussing the keyboard, right? So here, so keyboard is the one type of input device. Here, our keyboard is the one type of input device. In the input devices, we discussed already our keyboard, right? So again, here I'm discussing. So here our keyboard is the one type of input device, and this keyboard is used to perform like entering the text. Okay, why we are using this keyboard means here, so have to be enter the text by the or else from the keyboard enter the text. Okay, so here by the keyboard you can enter the text onto the monitor screen, text onto the monitor screen, right? You enter the text data directly into a computer by connecting the wire or else wireless keyboard. Right here, we are entering the text data. So where we are entering? In the computer. Okay, once you are entering the our keyboard, automatically this one is okay. What you are typing, what you are giving the text, that can be stored into the our like computer. Okay, so in the computer we have the monitor screen, right? So in the monitor screen, the those words or characters, numbers, everything will be displayed on the monitor screen, right? Okay, so that can be functional by means you what you're writing. Okay, so those are functionally performed by the CPU, right? So why? Because here in this we are performing the saving and processing, everything we are performing, right? So here mostly why we are using the keyboard means you have to be enter the text what we are thinking, what we are learning something, anything. Okay, so here what you're thinking, so you can enter the text to the by the keyboard. Okay, so what you entered, that can be displayed on the monitor screen, computer's monitor screen. Okay, so where it will be displays? Monitor screen. So your monitor screen is the our output device, not input device. Okay, so here by the keyboard, here we are entering the some text data, we are entering the some text data. And here this computer keyboard is also similar to the our typewriter. Here this keyboard is also similar to the typewriter. In the first class, I already told you we have the one typewriter. Okay, same like keyboard, but your keyboard is the very advanced technology. So your typewriter is the old technology. Once you are typing anything, if you done any mistake, so just again you have to be change the pace. Okay, again you have to be change the pace. In that you don't write anything again. So why? Because here there is no option to delete and there is no option to performance in that. Okay, your keyboard is very useful technology and very advanced technology. So in this we have so many keys to perform back and delete, everything we can select, copy, paste, everything is there. But in the typewriter we don't have. Once we wrote any information, again we need that information, means here we cannot copy anything by the typewriter. So in the keyboard we have that option, we can copy, we can paste in anywhere. Okay, in a word or pdf or powerpoint, in everywhere you can paste that one, right? But in the typewriter we don't have anything, right? So here this is also similar to the typewriter, but here it is having the more advantages to perform our technology, right? And your this keyboard is having the additional keys compared to the typewriter. Your keyboard is having the some additional keys. Okay, so mostly we have the 85 keys. Okay, 85 keys in those days, in the previous days. After that, we perform like 101 or 102 keys. Okay, so nowadays we are presenting our keyboard in the 104 or 108 keys. Means here it may be 105, 106, 107, 108. Okay, like that. Here mostly we are using the 101 and 102 nowadays, but future keyboards will be 104, 108. So some keyboards are already there. So we are implementing to perform more about the keyboard. Okay. And by using these keys we are entering the some details into the computer. So once you are pressing that one, it is entering the details on the computer, right? Okay, so already I sent the keyboard image in the previous class. Once check that. I think I know everyone is having these systems or laptops. Once you have to check your keyboard. Okay, and keyboard is the oldest input device. Okay, keyboard is not now we are invented, right? So in the old days only we invented the our keyboard. Means here we can call this keyboard is the one old input device, old one input device. And we are implementing the, we are developing the our technology, right? So same like that here we are implementing the our keyboard to the modern technology. Okay, so means here modern technology is having the wireless. Okay, so in the before days wires, at present also we are using the wires. Okay, so modern technology, for modern technology we developed the our keyboard like wireless keyboard. Okay, so in that also here in the wired keyboard and in the wireless keyboard also we have the keys, and we can once you are pressing the key, any key, so that is performing the one functionality. Okay, so and you can take the keys or characters or anything. So what you are entering, that can be displayed on the our monitor screen only, right? Here what keys we have in the keyboard. Okay, so here we have the keys. Okay, so we have the keys. Okay, so what we have the keys in this? First one, numeric keys. Numeric keys. And second one, character keys, or else we can call this one is the alphanumeric keys. Alphanumeric keys. Okay, next we have the punctuation keys. Punctuation keys. Okay, so and next here we have the function keys. Okay, next here we have the function keys, right? And next here we have the special purpose keys. Special purpose keys. Okay, and next here we have the cursor movement keys. Cursor movement keys. Okay, so here we have these 6 types of keys totally. So first one is the numeric keys. Numeric means here numbers. Numeric means your numbers. And we have the character. Okay, so first see numeric keys. Okay, so this numeric keys is having the right side of the keyboard. Okay, so this right keys is having the right side of the keyboard. I will show you once. Wait. I will show you. See this. I think this is not visible, right? One second. So in the numeric keys we have the what we have the keys that can be displayed here, right? I will show you once. See this. See. Okay, so we have the numeric keys here. So these are the numeric keys. Okay, so these numeric keys are in the right side of the keyboard. Okay, so here we have the numeric keys is in the right side of the keyboard. So total we have the 10 digits. How many digits we have? Total 10 digits. I think everyone gets the 1000. we have the only 9, right? Why she is saying like 10 digits, right? So see here, we have the one more is like 0. We can count this one also. 0, 1, 0 means here we can call like 1, or else you can go with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you can include here 0, and you can include here 0. Means here totally how many we have here? Total we have the 10 numeric numbers, 10 numeric keys here. Okay, once you are pressing the 1, it is displayed in this our screen, right? Not only okay, so and also we have the mathematical operations, and also we have the some mathematical operations. See here, so actually we have in this not only these numbers, here also we have the numbers. Okay, here also we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this. Okay, so these numbers, 1 means here we have the one mathematical function, 2 means here we have the another mathematical function. So here see this, here 8 is having the multiplication. Okay, 8 is having the multiplication, and 7 is having the AND operator, 5 is having the percentile, 6 is having the cap symbol. Okay, and 9 is 9 is the parenthesis, like this. Everything is having the mathematical functions here. Our numbers is having the some mathematical functions. Okay, and we can take these keys into numeric interaction. So when you are performing the numerics, you can perform this one. Okay, and next here we have the character keys. Okay, and next here we have the our character keys. Okay, so how we are performing these character keys here? Okay, so we can call this character keys is also alphabetic key, alphanumeric keys, right? See this here, what we have here, alphanumeric keys. Here we have the alphanumeric keys is like up to A to Z we have in this, up to A to Z. See this. Okay, so here this keyboard we can call like QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so this keyboard we can call like QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so why we are calling this one is the QWERTY keyboard means here this is not in the order manner. Here our keyboard is in the not order manner, means here A, B, C, D, not like this we have, right? So here we have the some mismatches type. Our keyboard is in the mismatches type, right? So see here, so we have A here, right? After that here, see, we have the A here, right? But here we don't have again after B, we have the S, means here we have B here. We have the B here, means here it is having the different way, right? We can call this keyboard is the QWERTY keyboard. QWERTY, QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so see here, QWERTY. Here we have the QWERTY. Okay, we can call this one is the our QWERTY keyboard, right? So we have these total alphabetic characters. Here we have the A to Z. We have A to Z. We have here A to Z means here total 26 characters we have in this. Total 26 characters we have in this, right? And so here it may be small letters or it may be capital letters. Okay, so means here if you need to be place that one in the small letters, means here it is automatically it will take the small letters. Suppose if you need the capital letters, you can use the caps lock, or else you can use the you can press the shift plus alphabet. You can press the shift plus alphabet. So automatically once you are pressing the caps lock, it is taking the capital letters. Okay, so otherwise here if you need only one alphabet is in the capital letter, you can place your shift plus any alphabet. You can place shift plus any alphabet, anything you can use. Okay, what we have the A to Z, you can use the shift plus alphabet. Okay, shift plus alphabet, don't forget this one, right? Okay, and once you are entering the any key, so by using the shift key you have to be enter. So when you are taking the some capital letters, okay, so here I will write that one. See here. Okay, so here suppose you are numeric in the A, what we are using 0 to 9 digits, and also we are using the mathematical functions, and also we are using the mathematical functions, right? Okay, and next what we have here B. character keys is having the A to small z, okay, or else it is having the A to capital Z, okay, A to capital Z. So once you are pressing, okay, so yes, automatically it will take the small A to Z. But here when you need the capital numbers, just you have to be use the shift plus key. Shift plus key. So here what is key means your character key. What you need the character, you have to be press that one. Okay, shift plus. Suppose you are entering the A means your shift plus. Plus means you don't click the plus. At the same time you have to be click the two operations. Okay, see here. Here we have the shift. I need to be enter the A. Suppose I need to be enter the A. So okay, so directly you have to press shift plus A like this. Okay, so don't use the plus operation. So at the same time you have to be press. At the same time we are pressing means it is taking the some capital letter. Don't use the plus here. I'm writing the plus means here don't use the plus manner. Okay, so at the same time you have to be click the two operations, two keys. Okay, so this is shift is one key, A is one key. So here I'm clicking the shift and plus again you have to be click the A. Again you have to be click the A. So at that time it will be shows the our shift. A is in the capital letter. Okay. So suppose you use on this caps lock. Okay. So don't use the our shift. Directly you can press the A. Okay. So these are the our characters. And next here we have the punctuation symbols. And next here we have the some punctuation symbols. What we have here punctuation symbols here. Okay, so we have punctuation symbols here. See this. Okay, see colon, semicolon, double quotes, single quotes, comma, police stop. Okay, so these are all question mark. These are all our punctuation symbols. Okay, so comma, police stop, semicolon, colon, double quote, single quotes. Okay, so and a question mark. These are all our punctuation symbols here. Okay, so what we have here punctuation symbols. Don't forget this one. Okay, so what we have here punctuation symbols. Right here I'm writing the third one. C. Okay, what we have here colon, semicolon. Okay, and okay, so here I'm not writing this one. You will get doubt. Okay, and police stop, comma, right, and question mark, double quotes, single quotes. Okay, so we can call these are all the our punctuation symbols. We can call these are all the our punctuation symbols, right? And next here we have the characters. Sorry, fourth one we have the function keys, and fourth one what we have here function keys. Right here, write the so what we have here function keys here. First see. So totally we have the F1 to F12. Totally we have the F1 to F12. Means here total we have the 12 keys. Total we have the 12 keys. Once see this you will understand. Okay, so in this we have the functional keys. Okay, see here we have the functional keys like F1. Right. So we have the functional key here. I don't know. This is the F1. Okay, so this is the mute position and this is the sound decrease. Okay, and this sound increase and this is the shutdown. Okay, so yeah, page rotation. So screen off and flight mode and keyboards and if you need to be brightness increase, everything will be performed by the our functional keys here. If you are doing the programs in that time also you can compile and run by the our functional keys only. Okay, so totally we have the functional keys 12. So these 12 functional keys is performing the different operations. It is not working the same operations. It is taking the different operations to perform our keys. Okay, so totally we have the 12 functional keys. After that what we have your special purpose keys. Okay, next we have the special purpose keys. What we have the special purpose keys here. So here we have these some functions like deletions or moving a page or moving a page down. See here we have this is the delete. Okay, page up, page down. Okay, so and not only those, okay, also we have in this home, and here we have the home and insert. Okay, insert, print screen. Okay, so control we have. Okay, control. So these are all our special purpose keys. These are all our special purpose keys. Okay, so here see, home and page up, page down, delete, insert, print screen, and backspace, enter. Everything will be backspace, enter, shift, control. Everything will be our special purpose keys, or else we can see this one is like tab, escape. Everything will be comes to our special purpose keys here. Okay, and next here we have the cursor movement keys. And next here we have the cursor movement keys. What we have the cursor movement keys? We have the some arrow keys. We have the some arrow keys. We can call those or our cursor movement keys. What we have in this cursor movement, like this is the up, and this is the down, and this is the left, and this is the right. Means here we can call this one is the directional keys. We can call this one is the directional keys. Okay, so in this keyboard we have um, numeric, okay, numeric keys, character keys, and punctuation keys, functional keys, special purpose keys, and cursor movement. Cursor movement means here we can call those are all moving direction. Okay, so not only this, again we have these some windows. Okay, windows. Okay, so windows we can means if you need to be search or if you need to be work anything, so like this you can work. So if you need to be shut down the system, you have to be use the Alt plus F4. Don't forget that one. Alt plus F4 you can. Okay, right? This is the our switch button. Right, like this here we are working the our keyboard. This is the our keyboard functionality. How we are working this means, right? So once you have to be check if you have the keyboard. So how many keys we have and how we are performing like this. Here you have to be check this, right? Okay, let's go. And next year, not only this keyboard, we have this keyboard is like 1 second here. We didn't try, right? So in the E, what we have special purpose keys. What we have here like home and page up, page down. Okay, so control like this here we have these so many. Like this here we have these so many. And also we have here at last what we have here cursor movement keys. What we have cursor. Cursor means your left, right. Okay, so left, right, and up and down. Up, down. Okay, so these keys we have. Once if you have the keyboard, you have to be check your keyboard once. Okay, and next here in this keyboard we have the, okay, so this is just here, this is the our wired keyboard, right? And also we have the wireless and wired keyboard. Okay, so wireless wired keyboard means here like this only we are working. So what is wireless keyboard? And also we have the another one that we can call multimedia keyboard. That we can call multimedia keyboard. So first you see the multimedia keyboard. Multimedia keyboard. Okay, so without the keyboards, without knowing the keyboard, we cannot operate the our computer system. Okay, so first you have to be learn how we are working with the keyboard. Okay, so next here we have the multimedia keyboard. So this multimedia keyboard is designed to perform one touch. It is designed to perform one touch. Okay, one touch means here only one tap. One touch means here only one tap. Okay, one touch, simple for the user to access often used programs. Okay, what your user performing the programs that can be performed in the easy way. So once you can click the one touch. Okay, you are not clicking anymore. Okay. The multimedia keyboard we have the various additional keys. Not only this, okay, we have the some various additional keys. Okay, so to perform the our volume control, launching Internet Explorer, changing the songs, video tracks, launching email software, everything. How means you're like suppose you're playing any song in the music, okay, so it is showing like increment, okay, decrement volume, and forward backward type here it is showing, okay, it is showing like forward backward type, okay, in between we have like a round mark, okay, and it is having the, okay, so like this we have in this keyboard also. In the multimedia keyboard we have we can increase the volume and we can change the song also directly. So normally in the computer system just we need to be changed, means here we are using the again mouse, we are clicking that one. But in the multimedia keyboard there is no yes, we have that option also, but here we have the advantage is like we have this type of, okay, when you are playing this song we can visible this one, okay, so once you have to be checked, so same like this your multimedia keyboard will be there, okay, same like that your multimedia keyboard is there. So once you are clicking that one you will work with, okay, once you're clicking the our multimedia keyboard, so we can play the songs easily, and we can click the Internet Explorer directly, we can browse, okay, and we can chat directly, we can change any song and we can change the video charts, everything is possible by the our multimedia keyboard, okay, and this multimedia keyboard is having the buttons, and those buttons are controlling the our computer process, and also it is performing the our computer powers, and sometimes it is in the sleep mode. Sleep mode means here suppose you are giving the 1000 seconds to sleep, so it is our computer will not work what you are entering, okay, suppose you can enter any alphabets or anything, so it will not work almost, okay, so 1000 seconds it will be in the sleep mode, okay, and so after that, after the sleeping method here it is waking up, automatically it is waking up, right, and we have the web browser keys, okay, so in this web browser keys multimedia is taking the back, forwards, okay, so in this what we have again mostly keys means here back, forward, stop, and we have the again refresh keys, okay, so normally if you need to be go back means here we are clicking the arrow marks what you are opening the website, by that here we are going the back, but in the multimedia keyboard we have the one special keys like back, forward, stop, and refresh also, automatically we have the keys, we can click that one, okay, so by that keys we can go, okay, again we are not using our mouse, by the keyboard only we are operating this one, all right. So here mostly why we are using this keyboard means here in the gaming purpose, in the gaming purpose we are using, so means here multimedia keyboards we can call like gaming keyboards also, okay, we can call this one is the gaming keyboard also, here multimedia keyboard we can also call like gaming keyboards, right, so in this we can perform text video games or else anything you can perform, but here our multimedia keyboard is the more expensive, cost will be high, and in this it is having the various connection formats like PS by 2, USB, and wireless connection. Okay, you can connect the Bluetooth. Everything will be possible to the work with the our multimedia keyboard. Okay, so if you have this multimedia keyboard, once you are yes, everyone will be understand. If you have only, so if you are not have, once you have to be check that one into Chrome, you will get the image. Okay, so how we are watching and how we are play doing every games or anything. So once you have to be check like that. Okay, and next here we have the wireless keyboard. Okay, wireless keyboard, okay, so this wireless keyboard is present we are using this one, okay, So at present days we are using this one, and this is in the higher price. And these keyboards are attached to, so in the previous days keyboards are attaching to the our wire. Okay, so nowadays also we have, but we are presenting the new version is like a wireless keyboards. Okay, we are presenting the wireless keyboards here. Those wireless keyboards are interacting with the uh, these keyboards are connecting to the our computer with the Bluetooth, or else these are connecting with the infrared technology. Okay. Okay, so these are connecting the wireless keyboard is connecting to the Bluetooth or infrared technology type. Okay, so suppose we have the wire means here directly we are connecting that one to the CPU. But here we don't have the wire means here you have to be connect this one to the our Bluetooth, or else you have to be use the our infrared technology type. Okay, and here these wireless keyboards are transferring the any data to the our computer. So by using the infrared stream. Okay, so by using the infrared stream, it is infrared beams here, it is sending the information. So and we can type from this, and we can receive information, and we can plug this one to computer by the Bluetooth. And it is also having the some battery power. So inside we have the some battery power for this wireless. Okay, so and compared to the mostly we are using nowadays for the laptops. Okay, and compared to the your wire keyboard, your very disadvantages is there by the wireless keyboard. Why? Because your so your uh, means here just you are switching on the our CPU means here, yes, here automatically our keyboard will be works. Okay, so why? Because that is connected already, that is connected to the our CPU. But here we have the wireless keyboard means here almost your okay, so almost here you have to be give the connection. Always you have to be give the connection, so that will be some disadvantages by using this. But okay, so everyone is using the wireless keyboard. Why? Because here with the voice means here we will get the so many voice into home or anything anyway. So here nowadays we are using the mostly wireless technology only. So this is your keyboard. Okay, and next here we have the mouse. Okay, next here we have the mouse. Okay, so in this mouse here we can work here. This is our modern technology. So in the previous days we work with the keyboard and without the mouse. Right here, once you develop with the mouse here, we can place the text. If you need anything, you can select, you can copy, you can paste. Okay, so and anything. Okay, so what you need, you can drag and drop. Everything is possible by the our mouse. Okay, so here very useful and very powerful technology here, right here. So by using this, it is this mouse is in this some palm small size box. It is just is in the some palm small size box only. So it is appears like a one mouse. Okay, so means here we have the rats, right? So same like it is appears like one rat type. Okay, so we are calling that one is also mouse. We have the mouse, right? So same like that. So same like we have means here, that's what here we are placed the name like mouse only. All right, here it is connecting to the our signal CPU, and it is sending the signals to the CPU when you are operating. So if you need to be yes, it is showing the one arrow. Okay, yes, it is showing the one arrow. So by using this arrow you can represent anything. By using this arrow you can represent anything. So here you can point any text or any image or anything. So you can drag the image or you can drop the image. Everything is possible by the our mouse. Okay, so you can place the lines, or else you can make the screen big, and anything shapes or anything will be works by the our mouse here. And your wireless mouse is also available. Nowadays your so many people are using the wireless mouses also. And here what we have the functionalities of the mouse here. We have the functions for the mouse. We have the some functions for the mouse. What we have here: click, double click, drag, right click, and scroll. Okay, by using this mouse we can perform the clicking. Just we can click the click. Okay, so once you are clicking that one, normally we are using that click is like left click. Normally we are using the left click only, so we can click, we can point that one, right? And you can use it double click, you can tap the double click. Okay, you can just you're giving the click means here, that is you can take the left click. So again we are doing the double click means here you can have to be press the two times. Double means here you have to be press the two times. Here it will be opens our operation, our applications, everything. Okay, and we have the another one, drag. So if we need to be point any item, or else hold, or else you can compress, or you can anything. Okay, we are dragging by the okay, so suppose you are selecting. Okay, so if you need to be select that one, and if you need to be copy and paste in some way, so you can use the drag position. Right click means your right click is having some functionalities. Okay, scroll means you can scroll that one. Okay, so it is having the windows like a scrolling button. Okay, so third button like we have inside a round type, so by that here we can scroll like this. Okay, and we have the one optical mouse also. So this optical mouse is having the LED light inside. Okay, so it is having the LED light inside, so we can call this LED is light emitting diode. Nowadays we are using this mouse, so inside we will get the one light, right? We can call that light is the LED. Optical mouse we can call that is, okay, later once we are getting the light means here we can call that is not mouse, we can call that is like optical mouse. Optical mouse, inside we have the LED light, we can call that one is the light emitting diode, and it is having the one optical sensor to process the our digital signals, to process the our digital signals. That's what here we are using this one. So mostly we are using this one in the PCs and laptops, right? And you can use this one into Windows or Macintosh and Linux platforms, any platform you can use, and you can plug this one into USB, or else PS by 2 directly we can connect with this, right? And next we have this some wireless mouse also, so we can call this wireless mouse is also cordless. So wireless means here it is not having the any wire. So directly same here we are performing the wireless keyboard. Same like that here we are performing the our wireless. Right here it is having the this wireless keyboard is having the radio frequency. Okay, so this radio frequency will be counts in the Hertz format. Okay, Hz. Okay, so here this radio frequency will be performs like a Hertz type, and this is giving the signals to the our system, so it is also connecting. Okay, so it is also communicating to the our computer, and it is also encoding the information what your users entering, so that can be enters into the and clicks, and anything you can click and anything you can receive. Okay, so what you are giving the code, and that can be again decoding situation. Okay, so you're mostly nowadays we are preferring the wireless mouse only, and it is having the wireless ear mouse we can call like a mice also. Okay, this wireless mouse is mostly we are using for the presentations, or else if you are giving the any presentation on the room. Okay, or else in the software companies whenever you, okay, so without using the keyboard, directly you are using the mouse. Okay, by that here you are operating. Okay, without using the keyboard, and suppose if you are placing that one to the some computer system with wire connection, that is not movable, right? So without the wire, directly you can scroll that one, and you can tell the you can say the presentation for your PowerPoint. So everything is possible by the wireless mouse. Okay, so this is very useful nowadays. Okay, so this is your keyboard and mouse topic. Once again, I am repeating why, because your this keyboard and mouse is very important to use, and learn this just okay. So in the next class we will discuss the another topic for the our computers. Thank you.